is the green list. Number 1, volcano. We climbed the side of the volcano while visiting Hawaii. Number 2 is composition. We read aloud the composition to the class. Number 3 is ritual. The Native Americans performed a ritual at the end of the ceremony. Number 4 is reptilian. The reptilian scales made the artwork look like a snake. Number 5 is conspire. My brother and I will conspire to get our bedtime changed. Number 6 is custody. The bad guy is in custody of the police officers. Number 7 is page. Please turn to page 7. Number 8 is definition. If you're looking for the definition of a word, then use a dictionary. Number 9 is volcanic. There was volcanic ash scattered at the base of the volcano. Number 10 is reptile. When we got to the zoo, we went first to the reptile house. Number 11 is competition. We went to a gymnastics competition that lasted all weekend. Number 12 is admiration. Her admiration of her big sister was impressive. Number 13 is conspiracy. The kids thought there was a conspiracy among the teachers to try to give extra homework. Number 14 is serenity. I felt the serenity found in the back of the library where it was peaceful and quiet. Number 15 is divine. The sweet, juicy tangerine was divine. Number 16 is custodian. The custodian swept the floors and wiped the tables. Number 17 is compose. The musician plans to compose a new piece of work. Number 18 is compete. The ice skaters will compete at 8 p.m. Number 19 is right. The Native Americans will practice the rite of passage while at the ceremony. Number 20 is serene. The view of the lake and the mountains was serene. Number 21 is admire. I admire all the hard work completed by the Olympic athletes. Number 22 is define. In order to define that word, I will need to look in the dictionary. Number 23 is paginate. I will paginate the book by listing all the page numbers. Number 24 is divinity. The divinity of the sweet, juicy tangerine made me want more.